Okay, so update lang. Hindi ko maalala kung ano yung na-record ko kahapon, kung ano bang ganap. Kalimutan ko eh. Sobrang dami kong ginawa kahapon, which is good naman. Kind of productive. I haven't been this productive in a long while. And again, I'm very thankful for all of the motivation tsaka yung mga eye-opening stuff na has been happening lately. And yeah, so currently, uh, tawag dito. So natapos ko na yung listing video, 'di ba? So that's good. I still have a few projects that I'm working on, and I think may isa pang nagpapa-light ng fire ko lately yung client ko. May i-refer na naman na bagong client for us. So it will be our third client. And hopefully hindi siya ganun ka-hassle, no? If it's going to be mostly admin, I just need to understand the workload, how can I automate it para mas padali siya. If merong creative stuff dun, holy shit ang hirap nun men, pero we'll see, we'll see. It's still okay kung may gano'n kasi at least meron akong more, I would say, meron akong reason para magsingil pa ulit ng $500. For some reason, my baseline is $500 for every single client kahit gaano kaliit yung papagawa niya. Napaka-weird lang talaga ng disconnection kasi yung client ko ngayon is $600 ta's super dami niyang pinapagawa sa akin, like super dami talaga. Tapos kalapit lang niya ng presyo, 500 kasi kailangan I think sa meeting I will discuss when it comes to the pricing kapag na-weirduhan siya, I'll just say na, actually with our price with my current price right now, as you can see, this is our workload, our entire workload when it comes to Rendon Realty Group specifically, hindi pa kasama yung Texas Hill Country Insider dun, So, technically, for all of the services that we've been providing, I consider this as $1,000 charge just for the workload alone. But of course, when it comes to my reliability, since I'm still figuring things out, and the fact that you're the one who I would consider you as a partner, like you're the one who helped me, build the company, almost like a startup, something like that. So that's why in my mind, I'm giving you a $400 discount, something like that. Because for the workload that we're doing for you, it's $1,000 or more. That's the reason why for other clients na medyo konti lang ang gagawin, my minimum is $500 because that's the reality. That's just how my mind, how it works in my mind. So, yun yung nasa isip ko. Which is so weird. I don't know if it's easy to understand, pero yun lang talaga yung nasa isip ko kasi napakahirap talagang tumanggap. Imagine this, sabihin natin kahit admin lang yung gagawin pero $300 lang yung babayad sa akin, which is yun talaga ang nakikita kong reality. Uh, I don't know, it's going to be tough, man. Parang baba ng $300. Pagkano may $300? I think 15K. Like, what the hell, man? Baba. Teka lang. Wala kang maka-hire na ganun. For an assistant, $300. Teka, yung 300 USD to PHP. 18K. Parang baba niya, bro. Like, what the hell? Saan ka makakakuha ng ganitong assistant, man? Di ba? So, that's just how my mind works. Kaya I'm preparing right now on all of the things that, what we do for the client. Kasi Texas din naman to, so it's the same. So, going to prepare for that. Babalitaan ko kayo kung ano mangyayari pagkatapos ng meeting mamaya. So, probably that's going to be for tomorrow. So, when it comes to progress-wise, I'm good. It's a great morning. No? Naligo tayo agad pagkagising. And, progress sa work so far. Meron pala akong insight na napaka-interesting. I feel that my brain is kind of different right now. Because, again, medyo hindi ko fina-flood yung utak ko ng dopamine, no? Wala tayong porn. Tapos wala rin tayong, I would say, binge watching sa YouTube. We're just focused on the goal. Kasi again, this week is going to be a focus week. And I'm very happy that in a way, I'm following through. Kasi again, one of the things that I've been working on is kapag may sinabi ako, hindi ko siya ginagawa, which is so bad, man. Napaka-bad habit nun. So, yun yung inaayos natin. And yun lang naman. I think today will be productive as well. And one thing, insight na masasabi ko pa, so yun nga, no? So yung dopamine levels ko, or yung utak ko, aware ako na there's something different, no? Naliligo ko kanina, tapos napansin ko, may something ako, may nararamdaman akong kakaiba, no? This is different. one thing na gusto ko mangyari is I want to sustain this. Kasi before, for some reason, I've always feel nababagsak ako ulit, 'no? Which is not good. Like parang ganito, parang up, down, up, down, up, down, which is ang pangit niya, 'no? So, I have two routes here on how I should tackle this, 'no? So, una is taasan ko yung baseline ko. What I mean by this is, yung baba ko hindi super baba, medyo baba lang. Parang aangat ako, medyo baba. Aangat ako, medyo baba. Parang it's almost like, 2 steps forward and, point 5 steps backward. Hindi yung 2 steps forward, 2 steps backward o kaya actually mas madaling intindihin yung 2 steps forward, 1 step backward. At least umaangat ako paunti-unti. Compared sa ginagawa ko palagi, most of the time is 2 step backward, 2 step forward, 2 step backward. Like hindi ako umaangat, nag-e-equalize lang yung negativity ng pinaggagagawa ko sa positive. Minsan pa super positive ako, like super sipa talaga, like 4 steps forward. Tapos minsan naman 6 steps backward, putangina napakabagsak naman, parang gano'n. So one thing that I want to adopt, hopefully since we're training it naman, 'di ba? I'm sure na yun yung isa, tataas yung baseline or the best way then is para less stress is just consider every day as a down day. I would say for example, today, I feel good, 'di ba? Ayaw kong isipin na this is a good day as much as possible. Yes, I call it a great morning, pero the day overall, kasi isipin mo, kung yung productive day mo is considered as a bad day, ano pa yung hindi ko siya ma-explain na mabuti basta ang point ko lang ayoko na ng umaangat at bumababa, parang gano'n. Hindi siya sustainable, eh, walang nagsa-succeed ng gano'n. So yun lang naman. Ah, I don't know if tutuparin ko na naman 'tong mga pinagsasabi ko, pero it's just the thing that is, running on my mind right now. I can observe the difference, 'no. My brain is kinda different. We are quite productive and siguro ang gusto ko lang sabihin is I don't wanna expect too much from myself. Kasi yun yung natatawag ko na bagsak, eh, 'di ba? Isipin mo kung I don't judge myself, I don't rank myself or whatever, no, maybe I should track my progress, but it doesn't mean that I would say this is good, this is bad. Like I won't expect anything from me. Kasi from there walang disappointment, 'di ba? Like every day is normal. Walang bad day, walang bad day. Again, morning napakaimportante na na. Kailangan lang talaga ng label ng morning natin kasi our morning predicts a lot of things. And the fact that it's a good morning today or a great morning today is the reason, one of the biggest reason, I would say 80% of the reason bakit ako magiging productive mamaya. Bakit I feel good, 'di ba? It's all about the mornings. And aware ako dun and tatagal kong hindi ina-adopt yun, nakakalimutan ko yun, pero I need to always remember that. So yun lang naman. So second day pa lang tayo of the month, so let's do this.